we're going to talk about associative and commutative properties. This is just a tool to help you solve your problems a little bit faster. Students kind of get a little worried because they think they have to do this. You don't have to do this. It just is a helpful tool to get to the answer more quickly. And all associative and commutative properties says is you can move around numbers or parentheses within a multiplication or an addition problem. In this case, we're adding. And so now we can just move them around so that they suit our needs a little bit better. In this problem, we're going to work with commutative property. And in the commutative property, we have these three numbers. Well, there's two numbers that jump out at me that I can add together a lot more quickly in my head, and they're not necessarily in the right order. So what I can do, I can take these two numbers, 1/2 and 1/2. I know that those two bottoms are the same, and I can add them a little more quickly in my head. So I'm going to add 1/2 plus 1/2. I'm going to get 1 whole. Then I'm just going to bring down my 1/3. So instead of wasting all this time trying to make these two numbers the same on the bottom and going through that whole process, I could have just done this a lot quicker in my head, and here I have it down here. We call this a commutative property. In a way students are remembering it is they say at the community pool, you wear flip-flops, and you can flip-flop your numbers. So if students are drawing flip-flops on their paper, that's what they're talking about. We can flip-flop our numbers around. They don't have to stay where they're at. So flip-flop your numbers and make it a little bit easier for you to get the problem solved.